Hello, my friends. This is Alex, and welcome back to the Unlock English podcast. Let me ask you a question. Can you understand English, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank? You know the words. You know the grammar. But the sentences just don't come out. If that happens to you, you are not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. You can understand English, but speaking feels like a locked door. Why does this happen? Why is it easy to understand, but so difficult to speak? In this episode, I will answer that question. And I will give you 5 simple tips to help you start speaking more and better. As always in this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can use it for shadowing. You can listen, repeat, and try to match my words, my rhythm, and my voice. My goal is to help you practice both listening and speaking at the same time. All right, let's begin. Here's the truth. Understanding English and speaking English are not the same thing. When you listen or read, your brain is like a sponge. You are passive. You just receive English. But when you speak, you are active. You must find the words, organize your ideas, and say them out loud, all in real time. Of course, that feels harder. It's normal to feel stuck. But with the right habits, you can unlock your speaking. And today, I'll share 5 tips to help you do exactly that. Are you ready, my friends? Let's start this journey together. Let's look deeper, my friends. Why does understanding English feel so different from speaking English? Imagine your brain is a library. When you listen or read, you are collecting books and putting them on the shelves. You know where the information is. You can recognize it when you see it. But speaking is different. Speaking is like taking those books off the shelf, opening them, and sharing the stories out loud. It is active, not passive. You need to find the right book, open it quickly, and explain it clearly, all in real time. This is why many learners feel stuck. You have filled your library with English, but you have not practiced taking the books out and using them. The good news is you can train this skill. You can move from passive understanding to active speaking with simple daily routines. Let me share the first one. Routine number 1. Speak before you feel ready. Many learners wait for the perfect moment. They think, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. I will speak when I know more words. But, my friends, The perfect moment never comes. You don't need perfect grammar to speak. You only need to be clear. If the other person understands you, your English is working. Even native speakers make mistakes. So start speaking now, even if you make errors. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Say what you want to say. Over time, your grammar will improve, but you will already be speaking. Now, let's look at the second routine. Routine number 2. Learn and use chunks, not just words. Chunks are short phrases that people use every day. Like, I'm a bit busy right now. Or, that sounds great. When you learn chunks, you don't have to build every sentence from zero. You already have ready-made blocks to use in real life. Listen for these phrases in podcasts, in shows, or in conversations. Write them down, repeat them, and use them in your own speech. This will help you sound more natural and more fluent. Remember, my friends, speaking is a skill you build by doing. Start today, and you will see progress. Now, my friends, let's keep building your confidence with more practical routines. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. Routine number 3. Speak to yourself every day. This may sound unusual, but it is one of the most powerful ways to practice English. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. You don't even need a friend. You can practice anywhere, at home, in your car, while cooking, or even during a walk. Just use your voice. Describe what you are doing. I am making breakfast. It is raining outside. I need to finish my work. Talk about your plans. Today, I will call my friend. I want to learn something new. Or ask yourself questions. What should I eat for dinner? How can I improve my English today? When you speak to yourself, you train your brain to find words faster and to think in English. It's like going to the gym, but for your mouth and for your mind. The more you practice, the stronger your speaking muscles become. Routine number 4. Use technology and AI to practice speaking. Today, you have powerful tools right at your fingertips. You can use AI chatbots, language apps, or voice assistants to have real conversations in English. For example, you can talk to ChatGPT, Pi, or other AI assistants. Start with a simple chat. Hi, I am learning English. Can we talk? Practice short dialogues, ask questions, and let the AI correct your sentences. The best part? AI never gets tired, and it never judges your mistakes. It is a safe space to practice, to repeat, and to learn at your own pace. Remember, my friends, the more you use your voice, the more natural speaking will feel. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Practice every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Your confidence will grow, and your English will become more fluent. Let's finish, my friends, with 2 more powerful routines to unlock your English speaking. Remember, every routine you practice is another key to fluency. Routine number 5. Try the 4-3-2 technique. This is simple, but very effective for building fluency and speed. Here's how it works. First, Choose a short topic, maybe a story from your day or something you learned. Speak about it for 4 minutes. Take your time, use details, don't worry about mistakes. Then, take a short break and speak about the same topic again, this time for 3 minutes. You'll notice you speak a little faster and organize your ideas better. Finally, speak one more time, but now only for 2 minutes. You'll see yourself speaking more smoothly, with fewer pauses. This technique trains your brain and your mouth to work together. It makes your English more automatic and more confident. Routine number 6. Practice one sentence in many different ways. Take a simple sentence like, I went to the store. Now, change it step by step. Add details. I went to the store yesterday. Change the reason. I went to the store because I needed bread. Change the feeling. I had to go to the store again. Try different grammar. I am going to the store now. If I had gone to the store earlier, I wouldn't be hungry. This exercise helps you think more quickly, use grammar in real situations, and express different ideas. It's not about memorizing. It's about creating and playing with English. Now, let's review. Today, we talked about why you can understand English but still find it hard to speak. We learned that speaking is a skill you build by doing, not just by listening or reading. Use your voice every day. Practice these routines, and you will see real progress. This is Alex from the Unlock English podcast. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Your English voice is ready to be heard. See you next time, my friends.